I am Mukundhan. I am back with another experiment. The experiment name is lemon baking soda. Take baking soda. Look at this. That's because lemon juice contains citric acid. So, when baking soda mixes with it, carbon dioxide and sodium citrate started forming, causing it to fizz and bubble. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon.